Hello. Welcome to the world of peace and your deserving affirmations. I'm here to guide you through these affirmations, to reconnect you with your divinity and awaken your sense of worthiness. Repeat these 30 affirmations at least once a day for 21 days to develop new neural pathways. Now is the time for you to access the deserving being that resides within you and bid farewell to low self-esteem. Here are the 30 phrases to boost your self-esteem. I am capable of achieving anything I desire. I believe in myself and my potential. My positive thoughts shape my reality. I am unique and special just the way I am. I am kind to myself and treat myself with love. My imperfections are what make me unique and beautiful. I have confidence in my abilities and talents. I deserve to be happy and fulfilled in all areas of my life. I value my accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. My voice and opinion matter and deserve to be heard. Every challenge I overcome strengthens my self-esteem. I love and fully accept myself, as I am amazing. I am a brave and resilient individual. I believe that I deserve the best that life has to offer. I am grateful for who I am and the journey I have traveled. I free myself from negative expectations and live according to my values. Self-love is the key to my happiness and well-being. I am worthy of love, respect, and care. I focus on my qualities and virtues, as they are numerous. I am patient with myself during the process of growth. My past achievements are evidence of my future potential. I let go of self-criticism and embrace self-compassion. I am a valuable person and deserve to be treated with kindness. I learn to prioritize and take care of my emotional needs. I smile at myself in the mirror and celebrate the incredible person I am. My journey is unique, and every step matters. I am my own biggest source of motivation and encouragement. I remember that my worth is not defined by others' opinions, but by who I am. I express myself authentically, without fear of judgment. I am strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way. I hope these phrases can help strengthen your self-esteem and remind you how incredible you are. We have reached the end of this video on how to strengthen your self-esteem. I hope the positive phrases and affirmations shared here have been inspiring for you. Remember that you are capable of achieving everything you desire. Believe in yourself and your unique potential. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your accomplishments, and remember that you deserve happiness in all areas of your life. If you enjoyed the content and want more tips to strengthen your self-esteem, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Enjoy the benefits of being part of our community. Thank you for watching, and until next time.